Imagine a single seed so powerful it can boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and even protect your heart. Sounds too good to be true? Small but mighty chia seeds packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, fiber, and protein. However, moderation is key. Overconsumption can cause stomach discomfort due to their high fiber content. In today's video, we'll explore 14 reasons to add chia seeds to your diet. Let's dive in. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds help fight free radicals, protecting your cells from aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. 2. Packed with omega-3s. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, protect your heart, and stabilize blood pressure. 3. Great for digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds support smooth digestion, feed healthy gut bacteria, and keep you feeling full longer. 4. Supports muscle growth. Chia seeds are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. They're perfect for muscle repair and growth, especially for those avoiding gluten. 5. Strengthens bones. With calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds promote strong bones and teeth while helping to prevent osteoporosis. 6. Boosts heart health. The omega-3s and fiber in chia seeds help lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and reduce blood pressure for a healthier heart. 7. Balances blood sugar. Chia seeds form a gel-like substance when soaked, which slows carbohydrate digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Great for managing diabetes. 8. Enhances metabolism. The combination of protein and fiber in chia seeds supports weight management, boosts digestion, and keeps your metabolism functioning smoothly. 9. Aids body repair. Rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and zinc, chia seeds help your body heal faster, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy cells. 10. Fights aging. Antioxidants in chia seeds combat damage caused by pollution and sunlight, keeping your skin youthful and reducing wrinkles. 11th, promotes dental health. Chia seeds are great for oral health, with calcium for strong enamel and anti-inflammatory properties to support healthy gums. 12. Improves brain function. Omega-3s enhance memory and focus, while antioxidants protect the brain from aging and cognitive decline. 13. Boosts hydration. Chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water, helping you stay hydrated during exercise or hot weather. 14. Lifts your mood. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This helps improve mood and reduce stress. A few warnings. While chia seeds are generally safe, consuming them in excess can cause bloating. Always soak them to avoid choking, and consult your doctor if you're on medication or have low blood pressure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy living tips. What's your favorite way to use chia seeds? Have you noticed any benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments below.